In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Subway gift card. Whether you're treating yourself or sending a quick gift, the process is simple and flexible, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Subway website or the Subway app. This is your starting point if you're buying online. Look for the gift cards section, usually labeled gift cards or something similar. From here, you'll choose the type of card you want. You have two options, a physical plastic card or an e-gift card that's delivered by email. Go with a physical card if you'd like something you can hand over in person. Choose an e-gift card if you need it fast or prefer a digital delivery that arrives in someone's inbox. Next, pick the amount you want to load. Subway typically allows amounts from around $5 up to $500. You'll see preset options, and there's often a custom field if you want a specific number within that range. Take a second to confirm the amount before moving on, especially if you're typing it in manually, to avoid any accidental extra zeros. Now it's time to request the card or add it to your cart. If you're buying in a Subway restaurant, simply ask the cashier for a Subway gift card and let them know the amount you'd like. If you're online, click the button that says Buy Gift Card, select your card type and amount, and then add it to your cart. For an e-gift, carefully enter the recipient's email address. Typos are the most common delay, or send it to your own email if you prefer to forward it later. For a physical card purchased online, enter a valid shipping address and review it before checkout. When you're ready to pay, choose the method that's most convenient. In-store, you can typically pay with cash, debit, or credit. Online, debit and credit cards are the standard options. Make sure your billing details match your payment method so your order goes through smoothly. Finally, receive your gift card. In-store, you'll get the physical card right away. Keep the receipt as proof of activation. Online, an e-gift card will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your inbox and spam folder if you don't see it. A physical card ordered online will be shipped to the address you entered. Save your confirmation email, and once it arrives, verify the amount shown matches what you selected. That's it. You're ready to use or gift your Subway card.